Pandemic rages on. It's a challenge to schedule and complete home repairs.
Yeah, some feel it's not safe to have workers coming and going, but now businesses aren't getting the word-of-mouth advertising that they typically rely on.
WRTV's Stephanie Wade explains how local contractors are turning to new apps to find jobs in their area.
The greatest way to give back to the country, or to give back to the system that allows me to be who I am today, is to build a system that I can elevate other people and give them an opportunity.
An immigrant from Morocco, Tariq Kribesh, created the app All Better to help domestic workers, the majority of whom are from minority communities, compete against large corporations for work.
They're talented enough. They're great, actually, and they're probably better than these big giant corporations with their, marketing or online digital presence. So I realized there's untapped potentials, a bunch of millions of people out there that are just like me, came to this country trying to achieve the American dream.
The app connects homeowners and the contractors they hire for anything like cleaning, handyman work, moving, landscaping, electricians, plumbers, and more. Lets the homeowner set the time and price they're willing to pay for the work, and sets up a private messaging portal between them without displaying phone numbers to connect them for the job.
We're giving people all the tools and resources that they can possibly need to grow and build their digital presence without breaking the banks, without even any initial cost.
Being able to connect me with those customers, especially from not being from this state, is amazing.
For Chris Steven, who owns Moving Made Easy,
we do an array of different things, from moving, hauling, cleaning, packing.
He says finding new leads can be difficult not being from Indiana, and the pandemic hindering word-of-mouth advertisement.
Downloading the app definitely helped. Like I said, being able to connect to those people, build that real connection, and ultimately, make the money possible to provide for, not only my employees, but my family as well.
I've been in that spot. I was an immigrant. I came here, that was tough. And what better way to do it than just look back and see who you can elevate and pull out from those underserved communities.
Stephanie Wade, WRTV.